everyone, it's GlamorousMorana, and today I'm going to be giving you 5 face masks for teens. Hope you guys enjoy. So let's see. So if you want glowing skin, glow your skin. So glowing skin, you're gonna use 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And if you have acne like me and you want to get rid of acne, you can use 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. Yes, oatmeal. Now if you have dark spots like me, sometimes I either have dark spots on my chin or cheeks or chin, you can use 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. So these are 5 masks for teens. These are 5 face masks for teens. Hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to leave a comment down below and thumbs up the video. And don't forget to click that red subscribe button. Bye.